I get this product recently that is super cool. This chair over here that you guys see like this right now, that is not assembled yet, is a chair that is special because it helps to correct the posture, like it fits the waist, like everything for this chair is perfect for those people that are sitting for so long. If you're a person that works in an office environment and like you take like many hours sitting in a chair and then you have that back pain and everything, this chair is a perfect thing for your office. So it's gonna help you and it's gonna be more comfortable. So as you guys can see, this is the final resort. It's super nice, super comfy. I really recommend it that you guys get it if you work in an office or you're sitting for too many hours.